Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty and we are at Petco. We are here today because we have the option of getting 1 pound bag of dog treats completely free, no purchase necessary. You can use the coupon as a mobile coupon, or you can print the coupon out and get 1 pound of free dog treats. Make sure you don't go under, and if you go over, you're going to have to pay the difference. So this is some of the selection that they're having at my store. I'm going to keep mine right at a pound. I only need little teeny tiny dog biscuits because my dogs are 5 and 6 pounds. So I should be able to get a lot of treats out of this 1 pound. Super exciting. And then we're going to head over to the cat litter because we can get a 30-pound container of cat litter completely free as well with a coupon. Again, you can use it mobile or you can print it out to use it. This deal is all over Instagram, Facebook. It's everywhere, guys. So I just wanted to tell you in case you didn't get to see the deal. But if the things that I don't post, the things that I post in the description box don't particularly work, I'm going to try my best. If they don't, just search these deals in Google, guys, because it will pop up. Trust me. I'm going to do this for my car to get this out to you as quick as I possibly can. Okay, so this is the cat litter. We have to get a 30-pound container. It's a couple of different options. So we're going to save $11.49 from getting one of these cat litters, which is super cool. We're going to save about $5-6, I believe, from the dog treats. So that's pretty cool. $17-18 worth of savings. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's my dog treats. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Good luck, everybody, and let me know if you end up getting these freebies. It would mean a lot to me if you come back and give me some feedback that you like these kind of videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to do so. And guys, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video.